Hello everyone, it's Sarah back again, and this time I'm bringing you something a little bit different. Brought to you by my little bubby. He, a while long ago, got a hold of my yarn, and it's all tangled. But not to fret, because this is how I undo yarn, and I thought I'd give you some pointers when disaster strikes. So what you see me doing is I use both ends of the ball when it's like this. Even if it's entirely not balled and it's just individual string, you make two balls. You also put on something good to listen to in the background or watch, but you're probably going to be listening as you fix your yarn disaster. What I'm doing is just being patient with the yarn and just following the strand of where it wants to go and gently teasing it apart with my fingers. That's the best way to do it. You cannot pull hard. You cannot get angry with the yarn. It will be your downfall if you get angry with your yarn. You do not want to do that at all. So luckily, he only ran around the house a couple times with it, and thus that's why it's in this tangled mess. But it's alright, because it's nothing too bad. And thought I'd just share with you how you can get through this if your own yarn is tangled. Now, I bet you're wondering, why am I filming myself undoing yarn? Well, did I mention that I was listening to YouTube in the background? What do you think I watch? I watch a lot of yarn stuff, but more often than not, I'm watching Sean Cannell of Think Media, and I listen to what they have to say. They say that you are likely an expert at something. I was untangling yarn in the middle of them saying this. So what am I good at? Patience at untangling yarn. You can do this. Each little grab of the yarn and each pull through, you are one step closer to having nice ordered yarn again. See? I'm able to wind the yarn onto my little makeshift ball. We're getting there. We're getting there, people. And now that I've gotten it all untangled, this is the fun part. Making a pretty cake of yarn using your ball winder. Even after untangling all that and proceeding to use my ball winder to wind this yarn a cake, I still found more tangles because apparently the end that I was winding from was the outside and not the center. So even that took a minute. My little bubby is something else, but I love him so much. But here we are, a nearly finished cake of yarn. And I want to thank y'all for joining me on this crazy yarn adventure. Whether your sparkles are handmade or store-bought, it all works. Make something sparkle, and take care till next time.